How I make money online, plus bonus case study of one of my students who just landed a $40,000 deal this month. It's just the beginning of 2020. Want to set the stage right. Want to show you, actually going to be screen sharing with you how I make money online. One of the best practices that you can implement, all in this video. So don't go anywhere. As a matter of fact, get out a pen, get out a piece of paper. These are the new Millionaire Mafia pens. I love these executive pens, really cool. How to make money online, case study, what I'm doing, what my students are doing, all in this video. What up guys, Ben Oberg here, back with another video. Really appreciate you guys, hope you're having an awesome day. Gonna start off by screen sharing with you what we got going on here. Super excited about this. So to give you a brief overview, if you don't know who I am, you don't know anything about me, I make money online primarily through social media, education materials. I do a little bit of affiliate marketing, but I find that a lot of the information that I have, people want to learn. I've been able to position myself as an expert in my industry, and I help other people do the exact same thing in their industry, no matter where they're at in life. So I've been doing this with my students. I've had musicians be able to do this. I've had affiliate marketers be able to do this, massage therapists, doctors, engineers, a lot of businesses that I've worked with, both online and brick and mortar, solo entrepreneurs, and people that are just getting started, maybe much like yourself, that are brand new to making money online, all can do what I'm going to be teaching in this video. So I use Instagram quite a bit to be able to make money, and a lot of my clients that I teach actually do this as well. In a little bit, I'm going to be showing you Erica Mason here. She's a musician, up and coming, still working to be able to turn it into a full-time income, and she's actually making money with this method I'm going to be teaching you here. And I actually did an interview with her yesterday, which you guys will be seeing come out on YouTube very soon here, and she landed a $40,000 deal. This woman is absolutely awesome, and you'll be hearing about that in just a little bit. So what is it that I actually do? Let me show you over here in my photos what we've got going on here, okay? And I hope this is in order for you, okay? So one of the things that I do is I use Instagram stories. This will work for you no matter how big of a following you have or small of a following. And as a matter of fact, if you have no following at all, I'll tell you and show you in just a little bit how you can actually do this. So I'll take whatever industry I'm in. I'm in the industry of teaching people how to make money online. I'm in the industry of teaching people how to build online businesses and brands. You might be somebody that's passionate about fitness. Maybe you want to be teaching about fitness. Maybe you have a fitness product. Maybe you could be an affiliate of a fitness product. Maybe you're in e-commerce and you have the ability to teach people about e-commerce because maybe you're making $50, $100 a day now. Maybe you're making substantially more than that. Or maybe you have a product that you're just trying to sell. This works for all of those cases. So what I'll do is I'll create an Instagram story, but I'll tell a story. So I won't just put it on one slide. I'll tell a story. Look what I did here. If you aren't willing to invest your time, money, and energy into your business, then you're stupid, okay? I literally just said that. I picked a picture of me that I thought was really good to put a little speech bubble by. I used the little tool that you have inside Instagram stories to put this little speech bubble, and I put the text over it, okay? Next story is, do you want to build an online business? And I put a poll there, yes, no. 70% of the people, about 70, like 73% said yes, okay? My next one is, if you said yes, how much are you willing to invest today, and I highlighted today, to get started? How much? And then I did a quiz, less than 1,000, 1,000 to 3,000, 5,000 plus. Reason I did this is because I have programs, products, and mentorship opportunities that range from $1,000 and up. Now I don't want to necessarily work with, it's not worth my time or the business to work with the people that have less than $1,000 and aren't serious. So all the people that voted 1 to 3,000 and 5,000 plus, I then went into conversation with. Do you want to work with me to build your business? Heck yes, no. So what I wanted to do is I wanted to commit them. So my hook was, if you aren't willing to invest your time, money, and energy into your business, then you're stupid. Then it was, do you want to build an online business? It's called a micro commitment. If you've been watching my YouTube videos before, which by the way, if you're not already subscribed and you want to learn how to make money online, I feel like I said that really weird. If you're not already subscribed, okay, I would highly recommend you subscribe if you want to learn how to make money online, build a wildly profitable online brand, and learn how to monetize different income streams, multitude of different income streams online. I'm your guy. I'm the guy you want to be doing business with. Do you want to build an online business? Yes, no. So they vote on that. If you said yes, now I'm putting them in buckets. Who doesn't have money? Who has a little bit of money? Who has more money? Because now when I get in conversation, I'm not gonna shoot myself in the foot by only selling a $1,000 program I have to somebody that said, well, I've got $5,000 to invest. Do you want to work with me to build your online business? So clear? Heck yes. So now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna start messaging them. Now, if we go over onto my Instagram, what you'll see here is, like, look at all these messages in just the past few days here, okay? So all of these people, I've been working this guy hard. Like, this guy super hard here in DMs. Spencer, he voted on that and he ended up doing business with me. Worked a $1,000 deal, 997, okay? And he got in, let me scroll down. I actually was getting on a call with him. I said, let's schedule a call. And I was like, okay, what day, what time? And let's see. Yeah, I had a call with him, 3 p.m. EST, works for me. He had already done business with me. I promised him a little bit of a mentorship call to help him get started, and boom. There's other people that I'm working in here. For example, let's go with Hustler's Fantasy. They asked me, actually it might have not been Hustler's Fantasy, it was the other one, Passive Hustler, there we go. They asked me, how much do you charge for a coaching call? I said $14.97. I'd have to save up. I'm gonna continue working that deal because they see the value in investing with me to learn information that they don't have. Other people in here, Nate. Nate has already done business with me and he's trying to do more. Like this guy absolutely hustles. Like, look at him. Thank you for the webinar, I loved it. I'm super pumped. Like, all right, definitely. Thanks, bro, I appreciate everything. I think that's a golden idea. Like, the guy's just super enthusiastic and he's saving up to go to the next level, get my next program. He'll spend a little bit more and he'll get even more results. He's just super excited. So this is one of the things that I do to make money online by closing people on Instagram. Now I'm gonna show you something else here in just a second here. If you've loved this video so far, feel like you're picking up value, please smash that like button right now. Really appreciate you guys. I'm here to support you and I appreciate you supporting me. Now, obviously there's a million different ways to make money online. The reason that I've chosen Instagram, it's not that I'm like, Instagram is my thing and if Instagram goes away, I won't be able to make money online. First of all, Instagram's owned by Facebook. They're valued at over $100 billion. I don't think they're going anywhere. But secondly, I don't look at Instagram as just a, hey, post content and hopefully people click the link in my bio and pay me. I look at it as a way to connect with people, network, build relationships, and figure out if there's a deal there. And right now, presently, there's 1.2 billion people on Earth using Instagram that I could possibly do business with. There's a lot of people that are looking for ways to generate alternative income because they don't like their job's not paying them enough money. They want to get out of middle-class mediocrity. By the way, I just wrote a book about that called American Mediocrity, coming out soon, so stay updated on that. Erica's doing the exact same thing, so I'll pop in, I'll pull up the screen share again. I should have just kept the video going. Now, a little background on Erica. She bought my Instagram program about 5 months ago. I actually just did an interview with her, and you guys will be able to see that very soon here. And Erica said, hey, I'm a musician. I'm making I think she's making like $2,000 to $3,000 a month as a musician, but it's inconsistent. It's not paying the bills yet. So she's up and coming. She's trying to really get that out there, and I know she's gonna succeed because she's got an awesome mindset and she really hustles. But in the meantime, she wanted to start being able to do consulting and basically help people grow their following, their brand on Instagram. And as you can imagine, there's so many people. Let me give you an example. So if we type in, for example, go hashtags, hashtag Miami real estate, okay? Did I spell that right? Miami real estate. I bet you I can find, let's go with this person, Katrina Loves Life. Real estate, empowered babes, my purpose is clear. Okay, so here's a lady that is saying that she's a realtor. She's even got a pinned story, real estate, okay? She's got 2,400 posts. She's posted a lot of shit. I've posted to this point 400 posts and have 109,000 followers. She's got 2,400 posts. She's hustling. Look at this. This was posted January 7th, December 21st. She's not super consistent, but she's like present. Every single month she's posting, but she's not growing. Like she's not growing her following. So here's somebody that clearly is putting in the work. We can even go Empowered Babes Miami, 75 followers. Real Estate Babes Miami, 248 followers. Like she's trying to put in what, 2 days ago, a few days ago, a couple days before that, a few days before that. She's trying to put in the work. It's not growing. It's not growing. So here's somebody that recognizes they need to be on social media, but it's just not really working for them yet. And so you want to be able to make sure that you can find people like that, that know they need to do business, that know the power of social media, but they're not growing. So Erica here comes up and is like, all right, let me see who I can find like that. She finds people in her industry. She's in music. She knows a little bit about music. This could be anybody, but she finds artists that are like trying to grow. They understand the power, but they're not taking off. She knows how to. She's got a little bit of a following. She's been through my program. If you guys want access to my program, I've included a link in the description for you to be able to get started for free. Attend my web class, which is going to teach you how to run your own social media marketing agency, specifically with Instagram, and pick up a beautiful way of making income online, making money online that you can start doing immediately. So pick up your copy of my web class. It's free to attend, start learning, and make sure you register. Links in the description. So Erica starts doing this, and sure enough, somebody comes along, hey, I'd like to pay you. Gives her $15,000 up front, $2,500 a month retainer. She'll make 45 grand this year off of that deal. So just a couple ways to be able to make money online, tips for you to be able to go ahead and do this yourself. Realize that you do not need to go viral on Instagram. You don't need to have a huge following or anything like that. Look at Instagram as a really good networking platform for you to be able to find people, establish relationships, and create rapport, and hopefully do business, hopefully build deals, create deals from that. Much more so than you would on Facebook, where you can only reach the people that you're adding as friends and randomly. People's attention's on Instagram. All right, people's attention's on Instagram, not Pinterest, not LinkedIn, where there's only 270 million people, 1.2 billion people. Go where the people are at, go where the money's at, make this happen for yourself.